Hi all, welcome to my channel DBA Talks with Tabassum. Today we are talking about SQL DBA's best friend. Yes, database backup. A backup is very important part of your database because your database is the heart of application and business, and losing it means losing application critical data, customer information and even money. So a backup helps you to recover your database as quickly as possible in case of any failure. So, what is backup? A backup is the copy of your database stored in somewhere safe place. Think of it like saving your photos on iCloud or Google Photos. Suppose you lost your phone, but you don't have to worry about your photos because it is safe on cloud. That's what a backup is for your SQL database. Now, why do you need backup? A backup saves you from many situations, like any hardware failure, your storage got corrupted, or your server got crashed, or any human mistake, like someone accidentally deleted a table without a where clause, or any ransomware attack, or any kind of corruption. In these kind of situations, you can definitely go and knock the door of the backup, and backup will definitely help you. Remember, no backup is equal to sleepless night plus your angry boss. So always make sure to have a backup of your database. Now, let's talk about types of backup. There are different types of backup, but in this video, we'll talk about 4 types of backup. First, full database backup. This is the copy of your entire database. Think of it like taking a photo of your family. Everyone is included, even that uncle who is not invited. Second is differential backup. It only has the changes since your last full backup. It saves space and time. Think of it like you're watching a Netflix movie. You continue watching. Now it will not restart. It will resume where you left off. So that's what a differential backup is. Third is transaction log backup. It backups your entire transaction log, which holds all the modification, including the data and the structural changes. Transaction log backup helps you to do point-in-time recovery, which means minimize the data loss. But remember, you can take transaction log backup only in full and bulk log recovery model. So a transaction log backup is like a CCTV, which captures all your moves. Fourth is tail log backup. This is a special kind of transaction log backup. It captures the transactions which are not backed up, so you don't lose even the tiny amount of data. Now, let's talk about the best practices while taking a backup. First, do not take backup on the same drive as your database files are. It is like putting your spare key in the same car which you have just locked. Second, try to take backup on a different server. Third, always test your backup. And fourth, automate your backup because we DBAs tend to forget the things. So remember, backup are not just important, they are life-saving. So in my next video, we'll be seeing how to take different types of backup. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.